Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about the multiplication of complex number. This is also we need to multiply the same way as we do the algebraic term. So this over here outside you can see 7i, and inside the parenthesis you can see 2 minus 9i. So this 7, when you open this parenthesis, this 7i get distribute on 2 as well as on 9i. Okay, so when you open the parenthesis, 7i gets multiplied by 2 times 2, negative sign, then 7i multiplied by 9i. Okay, so here this 2 will get multiplied with number, so 2 times 7 is going to be 14i. Okay, now over here also the same way, 9 times 7 is going to be 63, and then I times I. Okay, how we do the multiply the algebraic term, like x times x. Here the power is 1 1, so when the power is same and here is the base is same and power is different or same, it doesn't matter, the base should be same. So by the exponent property, what we do, we add the powers or exponent. So 1 plus 1, it is going to be 2. The similar way, this also we need to treat as a variable. So when you multiply, this is going to be 63, I times I is I square. Okay, in the last video we have seen wherever the I square comes in complex number, that should be replaced by I square, always be replaced by negative 1. So 14i minus 63 into negative 1. Okay, when you simplify this, negative times negative is going to be positive, and 63 into 1, what is going to be 63. So 14i plus 63. Okay, so and generally you see now complex number standard form is a plus bi. So you can leave the answer over here, it doesn't matter, but if you write in this format it is good. So first we write 63 and then we write this 14i. So this is going to be the answer for first question. Okay, now over here, now this we can see. Okay, the second part, here this question is containing two terms, this is containing two terms, so we can use the FOIL method. But instead of using the FOIL method, it's restricted when we are multiplying the two terms by the two terms, it is applicable only. So instead of applying or learning the more rules, it becomes math difficult. I always prefer go the step by step or the general method which you have used in the the basic maths. So here this also containing two terms, one is 5, one is 4i, this is 6 and this is 7i. So what I need to do, first I will this 5 I'll multiply by both the term, and then this 4i also will get by multiplied on both the term. Or either you can, another way you can distribute these terms by 6 distribute on this, or 7i distribute. So better we go we move from left to right direction. This backward direction also you can multiply, the answer is going to be the same, it doesn't matter, but I prefer this one. Okay, so first here this 5 and this whole bracket I am going to write. Okay, now this is 4i with positive sign, so 4i and this whole bracket. Okay, now how we distributed in the previous question, the same way I need to open this parenthesis, so this 5 get distribute on 6 and also get distribute on 7i. So 5 times 6, negative sign, 5 times 7i. Okay, now over here this is plus, so plus term when get distribute and parenthesis is getting open, so whatever the sign is present inside the parenthesis, the sign are going to be same. If it is going to be multiply, if it is going to be negative sign, then sign gets changed. So it is over here positive, so this sign of whatever the parenthesis inside the terms are having are going to be same. So for 4i first get distribute on 6, 4i times 6, negative 4i times 7i. Okay, now 5 times 6 is going to be 30, correct. Now this is 5 times 7, 35i. Okay, now this is 6 times 4, 24i. Okay, the same way over here 4 into 7, it is going to be 28, and I times I is going to be I square, correct. Now 30, how we treat the variable, like suppose if x is written and 3x is written, we can add, and what we can write here, before x no number, it means 1, so number get added and variable remain the same. So the similar way here, these term also we can simplify. This is also containing I, this is also containing I, and both are negative, so can be will get added and the sign will be negative. So 35 and 24 you can add it, what will come, 59i, and this is going to be 28i square. Okay, now just in the previous question also we have used, at the place of I square always get replaced by negative 1. So here also I need to replace this 59i going to be same, negative into negative 1. So 30, 59i plus 28. Okay, correct. This is plus 28, this is 30, so we can add number. So 30 plus 28 is going to be 58, and this is going to be 59i. So this is going to be the answer. So here we have seen the multiplication in a complex number. The thing is only we need to remember, whenever the I square comes, we need to replace by negative sign. And these are the two questions which we have done just now. These are the questions from the textbook, page number 132, checkpoint 2. You can also refer the textbook, and if you have any problem you can post your doubts on the forum. Thank you.